Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, solid-state drive, left fan, right fan, and system board. Removal. Note, the heatsink has numbers adjacent to the following 3 screws. Remove the 3 2.5mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the heatsink over the processor in numerical order. Note, due to the adhesive quality of the thermal grease located between the heatsink and processor components, it may be necessary to move the heatsink from side to side to detach it from the system board. Carefully lift the heatsink off of the system board and remove. Replacement. Note, before replacing the heatsink, the thermal grease should be replaced. The thermal grease should be replaced every time the heatsink is removed. Align the screw holes on the heatsink with the standoffs on the system board and place the heatsink into position. Replace the 3 2.5mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the heatsink over the processor in numerical order.